We've come to the Swiss Alps to watch the elephants arrive. Not Hannibal's, but the Ivory Coast national football team. They're here to train at altitude for the World Cup, an African nation with a decent chance of winning the first World Cup to be played in Africa. There's Chelsea star, the modest Salomon Kalou. And here's the captain of the Elephants, Didier Drogba, a brilliant, opportunist striker. Willing to sign autographs, but often avoiding the camera. They're normally a laid-back bunch. Politics, they'd like you to think, usually the last thing on their minds.
Football is our passion, and it's through football we give our message to all the Ivorian people. The politicians talk about politics, but we play football.
But, as many great defenders have discovered the hard way, Salomon Kalou and Didier Drogba's languid appearance can be deceptive. For there is another side to the Elephants, the team that has tried to bring peace to a nation on the edge of war. He's up in the air, Didier Drogba, the Elephant star. Down in the streets, they're doing a dance named after him. It's called the Drogba City. You dribble, you head, you dance like Didier. Almost the national dance. Every weekend, bars in Ivory Coast are packed with football fans, shrines to the Elephants and their English-based striker.
Drogba, I love you! Drogba, I love you!